job, boys and girls. I'm Miss Christine.
And I'm Miss Robin.
Welcome to music class.
Welcome, everybody. We're so glad you can join us.
We have a great lesson for you today, but first, let's begin with our welcome song. Welcome, children, to music class. Welcome, children. 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 Welcome, children, to music class. Welcome, children.
It's time to move our bodies. Okay, boys and girls, let's get ready to move our bodies. Follow me. Let's put our hands on our hips and let's just move our bodies all the way to the side and stretch our bodies to the other side. And let's bend our knees down and bend them up. And let's rotate our shoulders back. Good. And shoulders forward. And let's move our head in a circle, nice and slow. Oh, it's so nice to stretch our bodies. Now let's take our arm and let's pretend that we're driving a car. Really cool. Yeah, and you can bop your head. Let's switch arms. Take that arm and drive your car. Good. Now just sway. Can you bend your knees and sway? Yeah, give it a little bounce. Let me see you bounce. Good. And swing those arms. Swing those arms. Yeah. I see you out there. You look great. Keep on moving our bodies. Good. Now let's just wiggle. Shake it all out. And shake it all out. And freeze. Good job, boys and girls. Keep up the good work. You get 2 thumbs up for a job well done.
All right, everyone, let's get back to our seats. Quiet hands, listening ears, thinking caps, and get ready for today's lesson. Long ago, there was a brave and caring woman named Harriet Tubman. When Harriet was young, life was very hard. She did not always get to choose where she could go or what she could do. She believed every person should be free and safe. One night, Harriet made a very brave choice. She followed the North Star to find freedom. Freedom means being able to make your own choices and live safely with the people you love. When she found safety, she did something amazing. She went back to help others find freedom too. They traveled at night and whispered, "Stay close. Listen carefully. We will move together." Sometimes they walked through water. The water helped hide their footsteps so they could be safe. Along the way, they sang songs of courage. One of those songs is called "Wade in the Water." Harriet was called a conductor. She guided people safely, step by step. In music, a conductor guides musicians. Everyone listens and moves together. And now we we will move together too. We are going to make music with our bodies. Let's learn the rhythms. To help us keep the beat, follow the yellow box. When you see the hands, clap one time on the beat. You do not clap or play when you see the sleeping child. We rest for one beat. We're going to say the word play when we clap our hands, and when we rest, we're going to say the word rest. Let's practice. Let's take it nice and slow and wait for me to say ready, begin. 1, 2, ready, begin. Play, 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 rest. Play, 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 rest. Play, 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 rest. Play, 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 rest.
That was great.
Here is our second pattern. Remember, wait for the conductor to say ready, begin. 1, 2, ready, begin. Rest, play, 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 rest, play.
You get 2 thumbs up for a job well done.
Do you think you can do it faster, boys and girls? Let's do it. Remember, wait for the conductor to say ready, begin.
Okay, let's get ready.
1, 2, ready, play. Play, 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 rest. 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 Awesome! Here is our second pattern. Remember, say it and play it.
Okay, let's get ready.
1, 2, ready, play. Rest, play, 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 rest, play.
That was great.
You are now ready to perform Wade in the Water. 1, 2, ready, play.
Wade in the water. Come on and wade in the water, children. Wade in the water. God's gonna trouble the waters. See that horse all dressed in white. God's gonna trouble the waters. The leader looks like the Israelites. God's gonna trouble the waters. Come on and wade in the water. Oh, wade in the water, children. Wade in the water. God's gonna trouble. God's gonna trouble. God's gonna trouble. God's gonna trouble. God's gonna trouble the waters.
Fantastic!
Until next time, keep a song in your heart, a beat in your step, and perform the very best in all that you do.
See you next time.